Opening an Excel file manually allows formulas to run. Opening an Excel file with VBScript or PowerShell or Python's Win32.com doesn't. I'm having a problem with the script not updating an Excel file, and I reduced it to the following problem. If I open an Excel file, I can go to the Formulas tab and click Calculate Now, and it'll spend a bit of time updating all the calculations. If I run a VBScript just to open the file, see following code, if I go to the Formulas tab and click Calculate Now, it'll just refresh immediately and nothing will change. I've tried all sorts of stuff like but those seem to do the same thing as going to the tab and clicking Calculate, resulting in just a quick refresh and the Excel page not trying to update at all. The same is true when using Python's Win32.com module. I can't run calculations in the opened file. The same is also true using PowerShell. So why does opening a file with these languages somehow shut off the ability to calculate the formulas?
I found the problem. Opening Excel pages with VBScript or PowerShell doesn't automatically include the addends that are included when opening manually, so I needed to manually add these two addends.
Try this. Just for testing.
Try adding a module with this in it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.